Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, December 12th. We have the regular meeting of the Grand Rapids Economic Development Authority today. We approved 2 commercial building improvement loans and 2 downtown mandated building improvement loans for Rapids Brewing. They plan on building a bar directly to the south of their building, the former A.J. Hamm building. And then they have another building on Northeast 3rd Street, which they plan on turning into a restaurant. So those 2 loans together were about $180,000. 2 of those loans, the $50,000 mandated building improvement loans, are forgivable over a 10-year period, and those are made possible through a grant from the Blandon Foundation, so we appreciate that. That's kind of the extent of our meeting. I hope you have a great holiday season, and we will see you next year.